In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subfolder in Outlook. If your inbox feels crowded, subfolders are a simple way to sort newsletters, receipts, or project emails so you can find them faster. We'll do this in Outlook on the web using a regular browser, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then press Enter. In the results, select the official Outlook site to open your mailbox. If you're prompted, sign into your account as you normally do. Once Outlook loads, you'll see your folders in the left-hand sidebar and your messages on the right. Next, choose the folder where you want the new subfolder to live. This is the parent folder. Common choices are Inbox, Sent Items, or any custom folder you already use. Click once to highlight that parent folder so it's clear where the new subfolder will be created. Now look for the three dots next to the folder's name. This is the More Actions button. Click those three dots to open a small menu. From that menu, select Create New Subfolder. Outlook will immediately add a blank subfolder under the parent and place a cursor so you can name it. Type the subfolder name. Pick something specific and consistent, like Receipts 2026, Project Alpha, or Family Photos, so you'll recognize it later. Good names make it easier to keep your system tidy. If you change your mind, you can backspace and adjust the wording until it's right. When the name looks good, click the check mark to save. That confirms the new subfolder and locks in the name. You should now see the subfolder nested under the parent folder in the left pane. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to refresh. At this point, your subfolder is ready to use. You can drag emails into it to keep related messages together. Over time, keeping a small, clear set of subfolders will help you stay organized without overcomplicating your mailbox. If you later need to rename or delete the subfolder, you can return to those same three dots on the folder and choose the appropriate option. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened the site, chose a parent folder, used the three dots to create a new subfolder, gave it a clear name, and saved it with the check mark. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, easier to manage inbox.